Yeah, that would, I think that that's a accurate description of some of what we understand is happening in a psychedelic experience, despite which medicine, I mean, regardless of which medicine you're using. We know that's part of what the psychedelic state is. It's also true of what's called or always been called a mystical state, right? That, you know, whether you're achieving that on a drug or through some other means. And yes, so yes, I think that what you said is correct. And how that plays out in reality in a session is kind of what I was speaking to earlier, like what it actually looks like on the ground, for example, right? Because you're talking about what it looks like in a brain scan or neuroscience wise, right? And then what we're doing a lot of the times is like, what does it actually look like in real time with two human beings in a room together? And how do you make it healing? How do you make it healing for the person? But yes, I think that the understanding we have from neuroscience about what's going on in the brain in the psychedelic state matches what I see in people, right? It matches what I see them doing in session with the way that they make connections or the way that they, their perception is different, not just their perception, like, you know, their sight or hearing, but their emotional perception or their interpretation of the world, right? All those things change and broaden, right? Because the filter has changed.